Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 26th of August 2025. So today is Tuesday. Okay, so today look at KLCI like a horror show. Dropped 16 point. Okay, so we are looking at a slightly bullish market for quite a few days. No doubt the volume aren't there on the thin volume. So those are just probably window dressing. But we also don't expect, we expect it to, I do expect it to retrace after it hit 1006, right? Okay, big resistance area and you're losing momentum, losing volume, right? So we do expect, but we didn't expect such a big drop at 16 point. Now market not yet closed. Now it's 3:30. 4:14. Okay, 4:14 So very near to the closing time, and of course we do expect a retracement. Yesterday I told you, right? I do expect a retracement back to 31.8% retracement, right? And also possible 50% retracement, right? But today one big hit probably already go back to 38 already, right? And now yesterday foreign fund a lot of heavy selling also lah. Okay, so and US market that day after Jerome Powell dovish, right? Big rebound now, no more momentum. Bitcoin also broke the neckline. Also it's not looking good lah. Okay, it's not looking good for now lah. Okay, a quick disclaimer before I continue. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, our Merdeka promotion coming soon. Okay, 31st until 8th of September. Okay, 31st August until 8th of September. Okay, so I already told you lah. We are doing another promotion on this auto profit, my auto profit course lah. So there is a high probability I will stop for at least a few years lah. Whether I want to continue or not, I'm not sure yet lah. But I don't have plan to continue the next year this auto profit course. I already done a lot lah these 3 years. So I'm taking a break from teaching, just focus on this doing this video lah. So and I also have a lot of students to handle lah. So okay, it will take me a while lah to get all these students up to this up to speed lah. Okay, so and don't forget this could be your one more chance, last chance to get on board, learn my kung fu, learn how to chase momentum stock when the market is strong, bullish market, bull market. And when the market is weak, why KS is so happy? Aren't you happy when the house at your neighborhood there used to be 1 million, now are selling at 300,000? Aren't you happy? Are you supposed to be sad? I'm not sad because I'm an investor. I want this kind of opportunity, right? Okay, right? Okay, I want this big bargain, super buy opportunity, right? Okay, same. Okay, if you know the kung fu, you know my secret value investing strategy, right? You can get dividend stock at a low price, or let the price grow. Let the price go up, you get the paper profit, capital gain, and also got the dividend gain, right? So why not? Why you want to buy dividend stock at a high price? Then you buy at 10 ringgit, then drop to 5 ringgit. You want to sell, you think you get the dividend can cover your paper loss or not? These are capital loss or not, right? So there's a lot of things you have to learn before you invest. Okay, find this opportunity, grab this opportunity. Okay, to learn 999. Nowadays, right? 999. Saturday, Sunday, you go out spend with your family. Really habis already lah. And this Kung Fu 999, you learn, now you are 30 years old lah. You play stock market until 50 years old lah.
I mean until 80 years old lah. Because stock market there's no limit ma. 80 years old you still can look at chart, you still can use ma, right? And I prefer you at least after you retire you still play the stock market. Okay, but learn the kung fu first not simply go and tembak and throw the water, throw your money into the sea lah. Okay, then you activate your brain don't be stagnant. Every day wake up nothing to do. That's not good. Okay, especially when you're retired lah. Okay, find something to do and you look at the stock market a bit, make some calculation, look at some chart, refresh your mind a bit. Okay, get the right strategy, learn the strategy how to get good stock at a low price, right? Then let it grow just like the house. You get the house, $1 million house, market bubble, drop to 300,000 RM grade. You get the house every year. Of course, house is slower than most of the time slower than stock market lah. Okay, every year you see, my house 300,000 go to 400, 400 go to 500, 500 go to 600, 600 go to of course I can tell you lah. I also shopping for good house also lah. I told you lah. Okay, I got a few house rented out also. So I also do that. Once I get enough capital gain, I will sell the house. Initially we rent first. Of course, generate the income to pay the installment, right? But when the price goes up, then we sell, we profit. Okay, similar stock market also right? So you have to know how to grab when the stock is cheap right? Okay, which one to grab, and also the stock market is strong. Also, you also don't worry. We got the lightsaber auto profit strategy, right? We see the breakout, we see momentum. Okay, we jump in. If we make mistake, we got that auto profit signal. Okay, auto profit strategy to help you cut loss. So you lost a little bit. When you profit, we gain more, we lost less. So you have to know all these strategy lah. So if we be long term lah, don't depend on luck lah. Don't depend on luck lah. So luck alone can only bring you so far. Yes, you could be lucky, win a few times. But do you think if you are playing stock market from 30 to 80 years old, you think your luck can bring you profit until 80 years old? I doubt so lor. But if you got kung fu, highly possible lor. Okay. Okay, so let's jump into the global market. Okay. 1586 now I dropped 15.59 points, 0.973%. Singapore, this KLCI, Singapore also dropped 0.285%. Hong Kong dropped 1.154%. South Korea dropped 0.950%. Nikkei dropped 0.966%. Thailand dropped 0.725%. China FTSE dropped 0.458%. SSE China dropped 0.391%. SXSE China up 0.258%. Australia dropped 0.41%. Taiwan up 0.114%. And India dropped 0.659%. Okay, so you know lah, when US start to weak, when Friday US strong, everyone strong, right? Or when you see when US weak, everyone is weak, right? That's why you have to know how to how the global affect Malaysia, how Malaysia how which sector, how it will affect all these things. So you have to know all these. Of course, I'm doing video every day, and also you have to know, right? I already done over how many thousand video, right? 3,500 video, right? So you see, even you join the course, right? A lot of people say, if I join the course, maybe I don't get it. How? You don't forget, right? The course is online, okay, and all got recording one, the Zoom class, everything. So you can revise, you can review every day, and the course 15 chapter course, okay, is online one. Means I give you access ready. You can watch every day. You watch chapter 1 to chapter 15 every day, every night, day and night, or before sleep, during lunch, whatever you can watch. Repeat. No limit to repeat. You can watch until 1 year. After 1 year, okay, if you request, you say I still cannot finish, but you see I must put the 1 year gap, 1 year window, because a lot of people sure they lazy, they do. If I say, I give you 5 years, sure they will finish after 5 years, so I will give them 1 year, to pressure them a bit but of course if you ask, I will extend for you okay. And also the Zoom class where we discuss secret value investing and auto profit strategy, right? That one I also record and I also let you to rewatch lah. How many time up to you lah. And that is not enough. Okay, if that you still cannot catch it, every day I'm online. I'm online going through my daily daily schedule. Okay, daily task. Okay, from watching the news, from watching the global, watching the news, watching the top gainers, and watching the chart. Every day I am doing homework together with you. You still cannot catch it, then I think you better don't play lah. If you still cannot catch it, right? You still cannot catch it up to now. Okay, I doubt anyone else can catch. I'm not saying other people, other guru not good. I mean, if I doing like this, right? Every day I'm here studying the same thing with you for years, few years together. If you still cannot catch it, I doubt not many teacher can I mean you can actually teach you to catch all the thing catch all the strategy. I'm not saying other guru not good. You have to view for yourself. For me, I open every day, I do video. I good or not good, you look at you evaluate yourself. You say I'm KS no good, I'm okay one. I'm okay. I'm not the best. I'm not Warren Buffett also. Okay, so I'm not. I just tell you, I every day do Kung Fu. Every day I learn my Kung Fu to the best guru. I every day do my homework. No doubt, I just work 1 to 2 hours a day looking at the chart, all this okay. But I do it every day non-stop. There's a difference, right? Okay. I mean, chart how many hours you want to view? You want to view 20 hours chart every day, right? The less is more. So the less, a lot of time less is more. So last time I do a lot of work. I get this salary. I'm very high ranking of executive in big company. Yes, I do make a lot of money. But now I do less. Okay, 1 to 2 hours a day only. I actually make much more. There's a difference, Yes, I am GM of public listed company, public listed group. Yes. But you know how many hours I work? You have to compare, We wake up at 6 something already. Need to haul ourselves, how to pull ourselves out of bed, pull ourselves to office. Disconnect or disable all the landmine. Okay, disable all the rocket coming and block all the rocket. Okay, then rocket other people. kill other people. Then you go back. Okay. Then after work, you have to meet with the boss, talk about future. In the office, you talk to your subordinate how to expand, right? How to improve the company, right? Then in the evening, you have to boss come over. You have to talk with boss. Okay. Then after that, what? Dealer customer or entertainment Okay. What time you go back? You wake up 6 something, pull yourself to bed, and by the time you come back, 10 o'clock, okay? 10 o'clock, no need to pull yourself to bed because you KO already after drink all these things, right? You straight away dump yourself to bed already, right? So now, I got all the time I want. I only spend 1 to 2 hours every day, including doing video. If not doing video, I'm very bored. I am too bored. If I don't do video, right, I am very too bored. Okay, mean a day I only spend 1 hour on this probably on chart all this because now I don't need to spend the whole day because I really got the Kung Fu so I spend, but I will maintain every day. I will do the homework I will maintain every day. I do my practice. Let's say if I'm badminton player, every day I will practice. I don't care Hari Raya, holiday, sick also I do. I also practice. Okay, so that's the difference Okay, enough of story Okay, where were we? Global. Okay, global. Okay, let's talk about this. Look at Europe. Okay, UK dropped 0.677. You see, follow, right? Everything follow. German dropped 0.435%. Okay, US yesterday Dow Jones dropped 0.765%. NYSE dropped 0.707%. S&P dropped 0.7 427% and Nasdaq dropped 0.220 lah. So there's a fear suddenly creep in, but I think we have Nvidia reporting quarter report. I think tomorrow night I think tomorrow or day after tomorrow lah. We see the Nvidia result come out how. If Nvidia result didn't meet expectation, the market even gonna be more fearful. Crude palm oil 4,443. Okay, crude palm oil very strong. Brent oil 67. Okay lah. Crude oil 64. Gold 3,424 up a bit. Silver 36.68. 38.68 so up a bit. Dollar up a bit 4.2170 because stock market drop. Bitcoin 110 already. Ethereum 4444. So do take note. Later we need to take a look. Bitcoin. Okay, we look at BURSA first. Now it's 429 lah. So almost closing lah. So okay. So our institution come and support already lah. Okay. Now it's 1589, drop 13.44 points, 3.193 billion lah. So they have to really push lah. Okay, today. Sentiment is 36, gainers 374, losers 659, unchanged 472, untrade 1123. So another big volume selling yesterday. Okay, net sell 267 million. Local institution, foreign fund lah. Okay, another big selling. Local institution net buy 256 million and local retail net buy 12 million lah. Okay, Magma big rebound, Genetech. Okay, this Genetech, right? What happened? Genetech already we got a head and shoulder, right? So it hit the head and shoulder target. Generally, all you always rebound. Okay, once a big this pattern, right? Okay, hit the target. If it's going up, the pattern is going up, so it will always retrace at that area, right? And if this pattern is coming down, so it will always rebound at that area, right? At that area, okay? Right, this area, right? You see exactly, right? The head and shoulder area, okay? So you see here, okay? So it started to rebound. For me, okay, you said, whether this one opportunity or not. Okay, let's go in and check. Okay, let's see. Okay. Looks like it's at the bottom channel. I think it's low enough. Okay. There's one more resistance here, so it got stuck here. Okay, it got stuck here, and there is one trend line here. Okay, I do prefer it to stay above this trend line lah. Okay, I do prefer it to break out from this trend line. For Genetech lah, I do prefer it to break to 73 cents lah. Okay, stay above 73, then I think long term lah. Okay, then only got long term chance lah. For now, okay, it is possible lah. That is trying to make a bottom here lah. There's a rebound here. Okay, 69 cents. Now it's 67. So if it break to 69, I think there is a chance lah. Okay, there's a chance. But the best one to add is I think the best is let me see. Resistance. Big one already. You see, it's already not crossing here lah. Okay, already not crossing here, so it's not already starting to weaken. Okay, let me see this line. Let me draw properly. You know what? I don't understand these windows, right? Suka very fast, suka very slow. Today it will slow down. I don't understand why. This is a Ryzen 7 16GB and also 16GB RAM SSD. Just open a trading view, also you need to slow down. I don't understand. Of course, I here got a lot of tab but I think sufficient memory. I think I got sufficient memory and also Ryzen 7, right? This is not Ryzen 3, Ryzen 5. This is a Ryzen 7. A lot of you give me tip what to do. So I try to clear. Some ask me clear the history, all those clear all those temporary file. I try to clear later. Okay. Yeah, I think 77 cent a bit high. I think Put it 70 cents. Okay. At least stay above 70 cents. Okay, then only we talk. Stay above 70 cents, going up, then only we talk. Okay, this could be just very short term. Not even making a reversal pattern. Not even any breakout, or not even divergence. So I think this probably not masak yet. We have to wait a while. Sorry, I opened the wrong. Okay, other we take a look. Others is in the list. Look at KLCI. Look at sector construction, all in percentage. Construction up 0.53, consumer drop 0.75, energy up 0.1, finance drop 0.83, healthcare drop 0.18, industry drop 0.73, plantation drop 0.63, property drop 0.42, REIT drop 0.54, technology up 0.14, telco drop 0.63, transportation drop 0.83, utilities drop 0.97. Quite weak today. There's few sector that is quite worrisome. So I'm going to take a look. Okay, look at KLCI first. Okay, KLCI, look at that. We got a big confirmation candle, a rejection of 1006, and a big confirmation candle. So this one coming down as said. Okay. 50% retracement or 50% retracement, 31.8. Okay. Wait. It's 38.2. Okay. So today already hit this 23%. Okay, 23% retracement. Okay, so one more day, I think probably you'll come back to this 38.2 retracement. So I mean back to 38.2 or 50% is okay okay, but if we up to here, 1550 is not good already. 1550, right, is already 61.8. Okay, 61.8 retracement. This is not so good. Okay, if come back to here, then I think the uptrend already koyak already If we come back to here, I think probably will be like that only. Okay, if we come back to here or here, I think still okay. Still okay. Okay, here to here, I think still okay. Let me put the level here. Okay. 1560 I think around this area rebound still okay. If we come back to 1550, it's not okay. If it's here to here, yes, 1550 is 50%, but no more, because it really came up to here. 1550 is no more 50%. The 50% is here 1560. So we want to continue and monitor Okay, this one. Okay, continue and monitor. Okay, if we come back to here, then the uptrend I think probably will be sideways only. Okay, so we're going to continue and monitor and see. Okay, look at ACE market, drop 0.42%. Okay, I say ACE market, it broke out, so it came back down. This could be a false break. Okay, but they are still trying to push it up. ACE market still got some momentum, drop 0.42. Mid cap, you see, coming back to the bottom channel, still selling down, 0.56% drop. Small cap got stuck already here, 15,008. So this was the previous level So it actually did not really break through Okay, did not really break through. Okay, let's look at some sector. Look at consumer, right? Okay, consumer not coming back down So that's why there's a false break, you see. Okay, looks like it looks like the false break came back down, so this one could even drop lower as I said Consumer initially, I think consumer could have some momentum to rebound, but I think after the implementation of SST and possible reduction of this subsidy, petrol subsidy, all this, I think consumer start to be careful, a bit more careful in their spending I think. Okay, and because I myself already start to be more careful in spending okay. Today big drop finance okay, we got big bearish engulfing Okay, so you could come back down to here. Okay, and also we want to look at this technology lah. Of course, we want to take a look at technology, right? Transportation also big drop, but transportation still okay lah, still in this sideways. But transportation was never actually look, but never really looks extremely strong lah. Never really look very strong lah. Okay, it was always on a weakness. Utilities. Okay, you start to turn around, so you got a breakout, or it's not to turn. So you have to watch this 1743. If it break below, it's not a good sign lah. That's why you have to say, as I told you this have to be careful lah on those utilities one. Okay. Okay, technology so hanging here, looks like a hanging man, kind of a hanging man. Yeah, look like doji. So tomorrow want to see red or green. Okay, if it's red, then if it retrace, yes, it can retrace. I'm not saying it will break out. Breakout after breakout, there will retrace. There will be a retrace. So normally we retest this 5454. Retest the resistance, right? Resistance becomes support. So we come back to retest. But if you break below, for me still okay. It don't drop below 53. Drop below 53. So there is a trend line here. Okay, that it breaks. So that could be ugly lah. Okay, there's a trend line over here lah. So that could be ugly lah. Okay. Okay, let's look at this. This one you really scared a lot of people. That's why I said, right, Bitcoin, I told you, right, I'm not confident on the just this rebound. Say, wow, we're going to turn to bull market. I'm not. Okay, as I said this there was a trend line here already broken. So I'm not bullish on Bitcoin yet. Okay, and you see today it already broke the neckline of the double top, right? You look at 4 hours What daily you can't see double top, you look at 4 hours, right? Okay, so there is a double top. This was a neckline Okay, so it's broken below already 111, right? The neckline. Okay, so this bad I can tell you now, it looks bad for Bitcoin. Okay, Ethereum also Ethereum divergence over here, divergence. So I think probably it's coming back to 3964. If break 3964, coming back to lower Okay, but generally Ethereum already hit target already hit our target area here. Okay, 4,000, around 4,009 area Okay, Litecoin look like head and shoulder Okay, yeah, look like head and shoulder Okay. Okay, look a bit like head and shoulder. Okay, the neckline is here Okay, already broken Okay, already broken. Take note. Okay. Okay, already broken. Okay, look at SRP. SRP. Okay. So I told you it could be making a bigger channel, right? So now it's starting to come down, follow this channel. It did not manage to break out. Cardano. Okay, Cardano, you see, unable to break through the channel top, right? The channel top. Okay, the channel top unable to break through. So this could be a false break. Okay, this breakout and came back in must be a false break. A lot of time after a false break is going back to the other side of the channel. Okay, or the river bank. From this river bank could come back to this river bank. To take note Okay, Solana also got rejected again at this same area. Okay, 205 Avalanche similar, rejected at 26. So for now you have to be very careful. Okay. Yesterday, foreign fund out 200 over, let's sell 200 over million. Foreign still throwing. KL phone say, magma, what to? Magma is just, this kaki goring is just hantam hantam. Have nothing to advise. You should have run really long time ago after this hit the target, right? Hit the target, you sort of take some profit. Okay, just take some profit. When it start to dive, it should be out already lah. But now, you ask me whether now I'm buying or no? After this type big manipulation waterfall, I will never buy. This institution, whoever categorizing big supporter who is pushing this stock up already throw all already. So any rebound, normally this are rebound, what they want to do? Mean they not yet finished selling, they will push it up again. So you all go and jump in, then they will start to dump again because they haven't finished dumping, right? A lot of time like that lah. Can it still fly higher? I'm not saying it can't, but I will not catch, even though we know how to pick bottom, but I'm not picking bottom this stock that drop like a waterfall lah. Okay, no, I don't. This is just manipulation, not enough, haven't manipulated enough, they want to push it high again, so you all jump in, they want to throw again, manipulate you one more time, the big fish. So you, a lot of people who I mean, they drop into the hole one time, they still didn't wake up, they still want to jump in the hole the second time lah. You know lah, cheated one time not enough, they want to get cheated second time. I'm not saying these are cheating them lah. This is just how the big fish operate lah. They already throw. You cannot blame them because they already going very high for you already. You don't take profit, you don't blame them. You say, oh, this kaki goring not good. Hey, they already bring from 20 cents up to 50 cents already, right? So they already bring very high for you to take money, but you still cannot earn money. You're still holding it down back to 20 cents. What can we say, right? Nobody can say anything lah. Okay. Me still up, me already talk already, right? Me still got chance to 2.3, 2.6 lah. Technology sector already break out already, so don't be so scared lah. Unless it cannot hold the 53, I said, right? So already break out, you still can hold. 用什么来看业绩需要付费 ？No, I'm using this one free one. KLSE screener 嘛，you can see the profit 嘛。KLSE screener, right? This one, KLSE screener. KLSEscreener.com, no need to pay money. Okay, if you want immediate, up to date one, live one, chart, then you need to pay. But you get the 15-minute late chart, you don't need to pay lah. Okay, the 15-minute delay lah. For me, it's okay lah because I only look at it after market close. I don't chase during market open lah. I mean the result lah. I don't rush myself to make decision. I make decision only market closing hours. I take a look. I see good one. I highlight. Then I put some pending order for tomorrow. That's it lah. Then I can have all the time I want already. What your magma wang up to you lah. Whether you want to chase, I'm not saying you cannot chase magma. You want to chase, up to you but this is not something that I chase I tell you lah. This is not something. Or you think you can, you want to chase, it might still go higher. It might still go to 40 cents, up to you. But this kind of already waterfall one, I will not chase one. Penta yesterday already talk already, right? You guys got watch or not yesterday? I thought I talked about Benta yesterday, right? Okay, so you still stuck here lah. It's trying to go up. I said technology stock already break out already. You just give it some time lah. Okay, or just give it some time. KB also talk already lah last few days, right? KB talk already, right? Okay. KB got changes. That's why. Okay. KB trying to break out 35 cents, but still below 35 lah. If we can hold about 35, then maybe can consider lah. Okay. DNO top gainers lah. Okay. Genetech talk already. Dufu, ECA. Dufu got some. Dufu, let's see. Dufu not doing well lah. Dufu already dropped. Okay. Dufu need to break 1.24 first. Okay. Dufu not so good. Okay, it did go lah, but it kena double top here lah. So for now is as I said, you just give it some room lah, whether it can still go or not, because looks like some looks like technology after the sector breakout, technology got chance lah. Okay, ECA today got news later you take a look. Okay, and then take top gainers lah. IFCA we talk already, right? IFCA got nothing much to talk about, right? Okay, let me see. IFCA. Okay. Yeah, IFCA could have a rebound because this area, right? Okay, as I said, IFCA there could be a rebound because the low here. You look at secret value investing strategy. Okay, there is a potential rebound back to this back to this area. IFCA was 37 so now it's starting to rebound still okay lah. Okay, still okay lah. It might take time lah. It might take some time lah. That's why. ADELTEC later. KOBAY today top gainers later take a look. Andy headache Tam morning already morning already what they call it market already very how they call it he said market really messy. Afternoon how he say morning market really messy already. Afternoon how Genentech talk already ECA later lah. Valesto break about 20 cents. Okay lah, break about 20 cents can try lah. Okay, no doubt I'm not very keen because the oil price is not going up a lot, but this one probably can try. Looks okay. Volume also up. So now you have to watch this 17 cents so it should not drop below 17 cents Okay, if you want to continue go. Resto got chance Resto slowly going up. Resto Tan James DNO later Samantha KB ADELTEC today top gainers. Okay, VS yesterday talk already, right? RGB I already talk already, nothing much to look at still dropping nothing to look at. VS also dropping I say fail already, right? So wait for it to drop low then pick bottom lah. Okay, KLCI wait for it to turn. Andy headache. Not again, Darren say. Not again. Eugene was that watching the market. Okay, let's check out the news. A lot of news today Okay, a lot of news so this few days video will be a bit longer Okay, we got a lot of news.
MN Holdings 4Q profit jumps 2.5 times on substation project momentum.
Okay, fourth quarter up 100%. So we want to see the whole year Okay, last year 254 million, now 535 million so up a lot the revenue. Profit 70 million to 48 so MN did very well so but you really know the chart already jalan already Okay, so you wait for the year report come out already too late already, we go up very far Okay, so for it to go higher you need to break through this first Okay, if you want to go higher 1.64 if you break 1.64 maybe can go to 1.8 but it's already very high MN is already very high you do take note MN. Okay, already very high Okay, already very high Okay, might still can go but already very high. Okay,
AEON Co. S2Q profit drops to lowest in nearly 2 years amid post-festive slump.
Okay, revenue 1 billion last year, now it's 999 million, 27 to 12 million lah, 555% drop lah. Okay, so don't expect this chart to go up lah after you see this report. Okay, so you see it really starting to turning like, all right, rainbow down lah, like a bit like rainbow down. Okay, so wait for it to drop lower first lah. Okay. I mean long term, you're holding long term probably still okay lah. If you're holding long term, it's still not too bad lah. Okay. Still okay lah. Unless in long term, unless it drop outside this channel lah. By end of the year, maybe got some result. Now got some. I mean, if you're near end of the year lah, maybe do some sales do some sale, year-end sale maybe can pop up lah.
Hong Leong Industries 4Q net profit up 19% on stronger motorcycle sales and lower costs.
Okay, up 19%. 4Q, we can see the whole year lah. Last year 3.1 billion, now 3.6 billion revenue, profit 387, fall now to 486. Okay, did very well lah. Did well lah. Very goring already lah. Now it's coming down lah. So now it's not a good time to chase lah. Okay, we went up very high. We got head and shoulder, and now it's like no longer head and shoulder lah. It's making this seems like it's making this triangle lah. Okay, it's making this triangle lah. Okay. 12.34 lah. If you break below 12.34, then danger lah. If you stay above, maybe can break out and go higher, but I doubt so lah. AGMO profit up. Let's take a look. First quarter last year 8.7 million, now 8.0. Profit 47% drop now it's 760. Okay, so didn't do well. AGMO didn't do well. Okay. AGMO I think you take some profit. Really hit the target area, top channel, near the top channel, maybe take some profit first lah. Okay, because the report come out so not so good. Okay, you have to watch this area lah. Probably you have to careful here. Already break drop already. Sorry already break drop 46 cents. Already dropped 12% today lah, due to the report lah. Okay. Already gap down already lah. So what to do lah? Okay. The report come out like that. But you buy the head and shoulder, right? Okay, you're still in profit lah now. If you got buy that time. Kerjaya profit up 47%. Okay, look at Kerjaya. Kerjaya 395 million to 539 million. So business, this revenue up quite a lot. Revenue 37 million to 54 million so up 46% YOY. Okay, so did quite well lah. Okay, Kerjaya already quite high already going high lah. So difficult for it to go. Yes, it did break out above 2.12 lah, but barely just stuck there, not moving much lah. I'm not very keen because, I mean, it's not that. I think the window very small lah, but it really went up a lot lah. Now I think the window is very small. I'm not very keen lah. Okay, I'm not saying cannot go higher lah. If you go higher also, the window is very small lah. From here to here, from here to this target 4%, or 14% lah. Still got 14% lah, but I'm still, me it's still quite small. Okay, when it's already so high lah.
Strong Q2 for ALLIANZ Malaysia with 28 PCT surge in net profit.
1.4 billion revenue to 1.5167 to 214 million. Okay. So slow, the computer. I don't get it. I don't get it. Okay, Alliance need to break through first. Okay, Alliance. Okay, the big resistance is here 18.84 If we break through, then maybe we got a uptrend coming Okay, you have to watch 18.84.
Plenitude posts decade high full year earnings amid stellar 4Q performance.
Okay, look at annual 511 million to 629, 63 million to 116 million profit up did quite well. Okay. PLENITU. Okay, PLENITU breakout. Retrace a bit. Still okay, still also above the neckline. Give it some room. Okay, so this one maybe still got chance to go. Wait for a bit and see. But if you cannot hold 1.36, then danger. Okay.
Ajinomoto posts 28% rise in 1Q net profit on higher sales, lower costs.
171 million revenue, 180, 18 million to 24 million profit up. So okay, did not bad did quite good. Okay, Ajinomoto redrop already Okay, a redrop, and we also kind of have a head and shoulder here. This one better not chase Kind of have a head and shoulder. So you already retest the shoulder, already came down. So any rebound run Okay.
PECCA's 4Q profit slips on factory shutdowns, softer demand.
Okay. So I want to see the whole year Whole year last year 242 million, now 224 drop okay. Revenue profit 55 million to 57 million. Did slightly better only PECCA. Also PECCA finally slowing down I think not a good place to buy PECCA already up a lot Okay, I don't think it's a very good place to buy PECCA already fly so long already.
THPLANTations cautiously optimistic as 2Q25 net profit rises to RM1.13bil.
Okay, 198 million revenue to 220, profit 10 to 11 million up a bit 13%. Oh, this one not good break below the triangle. I think THPLANT not so good. Okay.
Haley wins Jalan Pata residential job.
Haley. Oh, Haley still drawn down. Nothing much.
Southern Cable's 2Q profit doubles to record high, sees continued robust demand.
Okay, second quarter 315 to 419. Oh no, quite good. Profit 14 million to 31 million, 119% up all these data center, all these help them Okay. But too late to chase already too late to chase we've gone too far. Our target also exceeded already so too far to chase now. Okay.
MAYBANK posts 4% rise in 2Q net profit, declares 30-cent dividend.
17 billion, 17 billion, 17.2 to 17.1 drop a bit. 2.5 billion revenue to profit to 2.6 up 3.9%, slightly lah, slightly better only. Maybank also don't expect to be very strong lah, because the report aren't very strong lah. Okay. Slowly, I think it's inching. Slowly, it's like going down lah. Slowly, it's like that lah. Okay, you see lah, there's no red color lah. A little bit only lah. Okay, so.
E&O's 1Q net profit up 21% on better property sales and investments.
Okay, last year 165 million revenue, now 183 up, revenue up, profit 37 to 45. Okay, not bad lah. Okay, 21% up. YOY. Look at that. Okay, E&O force break so it did not manage to break through. So if we drop below 0.82, then trouble lah. Be careful. Okay, E&O it cannot hold 82 cents, be careful lah. Okay. GAMUDA got more project, so that's why they split the stock, right? So we can go
GAMUDA
up higher.
JV bags RM1.13bil Sarawak highway contract.
I think this one is together with NAIM, NAIM, right? NAIM GAMUDA. Okay, so let's look at GAMUDA. Yeah, GAMUDA is still too high lah. I think wait for a drop first lah. If you want to pick up, wait for a drop first. Okay.
GAMUDA order book swells to RM35bil on Sarawak highway win.
So a lot of project lah. Okay.
ECA integrated solution jumps 26 PCT to 3-month high on heavy trade.
Heavy trade lah, but they didn't say anything Okay, must be something coming lah. Must be something coming. Revenue also not good. I think some news coming lah. They are going the news. Look at ECA. Oh, but one day play only. See, break above, came back down lah. So it's a false break lah. So this one just probably one day's play only lah. You need to stay above 19 cents, then only we talk lah. Okay.
Public bank posts higher RM3.5bil earnings in first half, declares 10.5 dividend.
Okay, 6.8 million revenue. 6.7 last year, now 7.4. 1.8 billion. Same lah, 1.8 billion drop 1.2% lah. Okay. Public bank. Revenue up lah, but profit same lah. Okay, public bank is flat lah. Still flat. Okay, need to break 46 cents lah. You want to go higher. MCLEAN profit up, I think. Let's see MCLEAN profit last year second quarter 15 million, now 17 million. Profit 992 to 2.8 million lah. 992,000 up 185% lah. Okay. Okay, MCLEAN, okay, triangle broken lah, so MCLEAN probably still can climb higher lah. Okay, so now you cannot drop back to the channel lah. You want to try this one. So it should not drop below 28 cents. Okay. Okay, look at top gainers. Quick message before I check out the top gainers.
Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel. Okay, all the links are at the description area. Link to CGS, iTrade, TradingView, and this Luno. Okay, you use my link, you can get some reward, some discount, all these things. So you want to open account with CGS to invest Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US market. Okay, you can try CGS. My friend is a remiser, very friendly guy. Okay, if you want to buy crypto down there, then Luno. If you want to open this TradingView, this chart software that I'm using, you can try the free version, paid version also can. You use my link. Okay.
KDNO, KGB, Magma. The Ingo looks good. Breakthrough 1.23, red color, volume 4 to 29. So DNO got chance move higher. Okay, potential 1.59, even higher. Okay, 2 ringgit, I think. Okay, looks good. So it must stay above 1.23. If it cannot stay, maybe cut down already. If it cannot hold 1 ringgit, then go already. But this one looks, for now, looks okay. Okay, there's a chance. Okay, so DNO, there's a chance. 1.5, 1.9 also got chance. But look at 1.58 first. Okay, looks good. Magma. Magma already talked already this one. This type of stock. After this institution throw already, I will not touch . Now it's all the smart money, all they are manipulating heavily without the institution. Now they are manipulating heavily. Great Tech. Okay, Great Tech still going Great Tech still going. Why Great Tech suddenly dropped 3% already? Great Tech closing hour drop. Okay, Great Tech closing hour drop, but still okay for now. Okay, Unisem. Now market close already 542. Okay, Unisem hit resistance already. Okay, resistance area now slow down already Okay, maybe take some profit this area. Copy. All drop closing time. All drop. Copy I think too late to change. I'll wait for a drop first. It really hit our target, our head and shoulder target, and also this channel target, but I think overbought also. I think wait for a drop. Not a good place to buy now. INARI. INARI now breakout 2.21. Tech. Okay, Tech head and shoulder hit this target already, but it's still going, but not a time to buy There you see, right? In that day we highlighted the head and shoulder, it really hit target already Okay, so I think this danger of a lot of people take profit and could drop to come down WASCO got some momentum, but need to break to 1 ringgit first. KOBAY. KOBAY okay still sustaining. It's still not dropping, but it's not going. It's still holding here still okay as long as it's holding this 1.2, 1.18, still okay Let's see whether it can rebound or not Not much happening Volume also got some volume increase Okay, I mean the support they are defending the buyers are defending 1.18 Hopefully it can sustain here and give it a chance to rebound Okay. Okay, well, that's it for today. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.